Top 3 vintage motorcycles perfect for sport touring adventures. Modern bikes are fast and flashy, but sometimes, adventure calls for a touch of old-school soul. For riders who crave the thrill of the open road and the character of a bygone era, these vintage motorcycles offer the perfect blend of charm, performance, and long-distance spirit. Here are our top 3 vintage motorcycles ideal for sport touring adventures across continents. 1. BMW R100 RS, 1976 to 1984. Why it's perfect for touring. The R100 RS was one of the world's first motorcycles to come factory equipped with a full aerodynamic fairing. With its shaft drive, smooth 980 cubic centimeters boxer engine, and legendary BMW reliability, it was built for eating miles. Vintage vibe, timeless design, Teutonic precision, and built like a locomotive. Still turns heads at cafes and mountain passes alike. Bonus, it inspired a generation of touring bikes and still feels solid and fast today. 2. Moto Guzzi, 1976 to 1978. Why it's perfect for touring. This Italian beauty isn't just stylish, it's got a 850 cubic centimeters V-twin engine with torque to match. The Le Mans mixes sporty handling with long-legged highway manners, making it perfect for riders who crave performance and panache. Vintage vibe, aggressive cafe racer looks with saddlebag potential. A bike that whispers La Dolce Vita at 100 kilometers per hour. Bonus, the iconic fairing and endurance race styling make it a vintage cult classic. 3. Honda CB900F Bull Door, 1979 to 1983. Why it's perfect for touring. Born from Honda's endurance racing success, the CB900F features a strong inline-4 engine, stable chassis, and upright riding position. It's a sport tourer in every sense, fast, comfortable,